Welcome to Renovations,
Hello, hi, I'm Renuka and this is Shubhankar.
and we have formed this company named Renovations, which is renovation from conception to completion. So we are into interior designing, civil and electrical works, plumbing, and all kinds of services needed for your house or commercial property or any kind of property which you would like to renovate. So let's take a tour of our office.
In which you'll get to see most of the things which are there in your house or which you would like in your house. So I would like to welcome you all to Renovations office. Uh, in this office we have done a partial renovation. So कुछ लाइट हमने बटन्स पे रखे हैं और कुछ लाइट हमने डायरेक्ट ऑटोमेशन किया है. So I'll just give you a glimpse of the automation. Alexa, let there be light. So this is how the lights are turned on directly. So as soon as you enter your house, you can just give a command and lights will be on for you.
So just one voice command and everything works for you. That's amazing, right? So it's like यार थक के आए हैं, कोई ग्लास लेके खड़ा है पानी का या कोई कुछ हमें देने के लिए हमारे हमारे हाथ में बैग लेने के लिए खड़ा है तो कैसे अच्छा लगता है. So same way you going inside, sometimes you get hurt or you don't see things which are falling around and you get angry at those things. Nothing. You just have to enter. You have to give a voice command and lights will be there for you in all your rooms. Or if you want, you can also customize it room wise. So एक room में चाहिए, एक room में नहीं चाहिए. So you can do it that way also.
And then again you can switch off the lights. घर को lock करते वक्त light बंद कर सकते हैं. यानी again no chance of getting hurt. I'll show that demo also. Alexa, good night. All the lights are off.
Yes. Now you must be wondering कि अगर ऐसे lights हमारे voice command पे चलते हैं तो उसके पीछे क्या mechanism है, right? Are there very heavy sensors or are there different kinds of electronic devices put into the house कि जिसमें से कुछ radiations emit होते हैं या जिसमें से हमें बहुत कुछ उसके लिए capital cost भी देनी पड़ती है? But it's not like that. There are some switches which work on automation and they are Wi-Fi enabled switches. So you need a very good Wi-Fi at your home or whichever place you are renovating. Usually nowadays we have 5G network, right? It's a very good Wi-Fi or we have our mobile hotspot, so it works on anything. And the switches are configured. तो उसको हम कमांड देंगे उसको मोबाइल ऐप पे हम यूज करेंगे तो सबसे वो वर्क होता है. सो इन केस आप आपके ऑफिस में है, कुछ जल्दी काम आपको निपटा के कहीं जाना है, कुछ कॉल आता है, आप ऐसे ही निकलते हो ऑफिस से बाहर एंड यू गो समवेयर एंड यू रिमेम्बर दैट ओ नो ऑफिस में तो लाइट चालू रह गया या फैन इज ऑन इन आवर ऑफिस, देन व्हाट टू डू? You just see your mobile phone, you can go on the app, you can see that there is some light which is on, you can off it, you can reduce the speed of fan, you can make the lights dim or you can change the color of lights in that option you have in your light. So many options are there based on the customization.
Yeah.
Right?
So right now we are going to show you a light dim option in a magnetic strip.
Yeah, so as you can see, this is a magnetic strip. It is holding one light. This light is completely adjustable. So if I want, I can take it up. If I want, I can take it down. Now this light is off, right? It has a switch. That switch we can on and we can off. So we can control this light manually also. But we can control it with a remote also. Okay. So I'll just press the remote and the light is on. Got it? Now see, I can just adjust the light. सामने वाली दीवार पे वो राइट जा रहा है. Yes, this way. If I take it down this way, we are in light now, feeling good. I want it inside to showcase some samples or keep showpieces, trophies, anything. I can do that or I can just put it down. Okay, this way, this light. Then I can move the light if I want. Okay, so this magnetic strip, it is helping me to move the light, but still it is not getting disconnected. Light on hi hai. Now again some additional features. Change the color, white light, which we like at our home. If you want to do a photo shoot or if you want some kind of display, then this is yellow, warm white, and there are two different shades in that. So once we press white, after that there is one shade, after that there is one shade, and now this is complete yellow kind of color. The brightness of this light can also be controlled with remote. Okay, so let's try that. See, this is completely dim light. Not at all. I can just stare at the light also, no issues, because it is a dim light. Then I'm increasing the intensity. Now my eyes are getting bit closed while looking at this light. I'll increase it more. I cannot see anything, and now this is the full brightness. I have to close my eyes. I cannot look at it. Right. So this way, the brightness intensity can also be controlled.
Alexa, let there be light.
Okay.
So we are again in light. Back.
And yeah, so we can switch off this light using remote. So that's done. So this way, there could be different light fixtures fit into this magnetic strip, and this strip can also be fixed anywhere. So we have this wooden unit and we have fixed the strip there, right? So this way also we can do it, or we can place it directly on the ceiling. So wherever you want, in your office, in your home, in your factory, any area, outhouse, storage, anywhere, you can use it. Okay.
So this is our lobby. You can see you have lights. This is our sample unit.
As you can see, we have placed a hanging light. So this is just to show you that we can do it anywhere. I mean, mostly dining areas or in office, there are some center tables like this where this type of hanging light can be placed. Now, uh, the unit which is under focus is the sample unit, and Renuka will give you information about this sample unit, why have we made it, and what are different elements kept in it. Okay. So we'll go from below to above, from bottom to top. She'll be explaining each and everything.
Okay, so basically, what there was one problem which we observed while doing some of the renovations. The problem was कि अगर हमें client को कुछ दिखाना है, you know, always we want to see कि ये कैसा दिखेगा, ये कैसा दिखेगा, वो कैसा दिखेगा. So to show something, we had to take the client to different places or different showrooms. कि यहाँ लेके चलो, वहाँ लेके चलो. It was exhausting for the clients and also for us because we had to go along with them everywhere. So we have tried to put maximum things in one place कि जिससे if client comes to our office, he can just touch everything, he can see the difference, he can take a feel of everything and then decide what he wants in his or her house. So this is a POP sheet which we use for doing POP. If you see above, we have done POP and that lights and everything is there in the POP. This is an acrylic sheet. I'll show demo of this sheet outside, but I'll show you. This is a 2x2 tile. If you see properly, there are dimensions marked in over here. So according to the dimension, this is the size of tile you can see. That is, this will be a 1x1 tile. तो आपको यहाँ देखने मिलेगा कि ये अगर हमने 2x2 की टाइल ली तो वो कितनी बड़ी होगी, अगर हमने 1x1 की टाइल ली तो वो कितनी बड़ी होगी. This is something that we have done with the tile. These are the plywood samples. Okay. So जब हम quotation देते थे तो client हमें पूछते थे कि हमें बाकी contractor का तो quotation बहुत कम का मिला है. Why your quotation is so high? So that is why we have collected this. Or what material or what type of plywood are you going to use in the furniture is what we were asked. So we have collected a sample of this. Why do we use any particular type of plywood? We can give the demo here itself. These are some types of laminates and these are the carpet samples. You see there are various types of carpet samples varying from price and material along with texture. Then if you see up, these are the various samples of granite which you use for your windows or anything. So you can obviously take this in hand. You can have a feel how it looks or how will it look in different light, how will it shine or how is it feeling to your hand, and you can have this. Then we have this garden carpet which we use in kind of terrace you have or a joint small balcony in which you can use that. Then we have sample of switches also kept over here. which switch you want of different companies, okay, which consists of Legrand, Anchor, and then there is Schneider, and again there is Honeywell, okay. So these are the four company switches which we have kept here. Up again there is an acrylic sheet, and then there are laminates which we use. The laminates kept over there are of two different thicknesses, 0.8 and 0.1 mm. So you can just take it in hand and you can feel it कि हम कौन सा use करते हैं and why. So this is a brief about the sample unit basically. And this is the washroom we have. We have tried to fit everything in the small place possible. There is a basin, there is a male urinal, there is a female urinal, there is a mirror. Everything that you basically need in an office. So this is our, and for this we also have a overhead tank. अभी इसको हमने curtain लगाया है because if you see, if we keep it like this, it doesn't look good, right? But if you just pull this down, it gives you look. You can take the curtain going with your furniture, going with your furniture. Okay. So we also keep in mind aesthetics along with maximum use of space and giving you maximum storage within minimal space. Now let's go inside. This is our cabin. Which again we have lofts. All these lights, if you can see up, all these lights are also dimmable and they are color changing. Okay, so you can always have, when you sit in your room, you want a dim light after working for so many hours, you feel कि नहीं light तो चाहिए पर उतना नहीं चाहिए. In that case you can use this. You can increase it more. This is 75% and this is the full one. Again there are 4 shades in this also. You can have the bright white one, then a bit of going towards yellow, a more bit of going towards yellow, and then this is the warm shade. So there are again 4 shades available in this also. And now we have our
Actually, very interesting thing I would like to add up in this is whatever furniture you can see here, you can see the table. On it you can see a glass top. उसका टॉप जो है लैमिनेट से बना हुआ है, उसके ऊपर ग्लास है एंड उसके नीचे ये MS का आपको फ्रेम नजर आ रहा है एंड ऊपर जो आपने लॉफ्ट देखे तो ये सारा जो फर्नीचर है, जो भी मटेरियल, एवरीथिंग वाज वेस्ट. ओके, सो वी हैड अ साइट गोइंग ऑन. वहां से जो भी क्लाइंट ने रिजेक्ट किया हुआ था कि उनका पहले हुआ बहुत साल पहले का, 10 साल 12 साल पहले का कुछ मटेरियल था, तो वो उन्होंने कहा था कि हमें ये नहीं चाहिए अभी, क्योंकि आगे हमें 10-15 साल यही घर में रहना है. वी वांट एवरीथिंग न्यू एंड वी हैड रिमूव्ड ऑल दोस मटेरियल. बट वी इनटू दिस फील्ड वी कुड नॉट एक्सेप्ट दैट ऐसे ही सब फेंक देना. जैसे जो केटरिंग करते हैं, जो कुछ बनाते हैं, उनको वो फेंक देना बहुत बुरा लगता है, राइट? सो सेम वे वी हैड रिमूव्ड ऑल दीज डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स. दे वर नॉट इन गुड कंडीशन, बट वी थॉट क्या कर सकते हैं इसका. So then we thought, why not implement it into our office itself? So we always had that thought in mind of reusing material, of making something best out of waste. So we tried that experiment in our office, and as you see, कि काफी हद तक वो अच्छा हुआ है, because we have changed the laminate. Obviously, whatever is seen directly, you are looking at, all those things are new. But उसका अंदर वाला जो मटेरियल है, प्लाई है, MS है, ग्लास है, ये सारा reuse किया हुआ मटेरियल है. सो वी ट्राई टू रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट ऑल्सो, गिव अ गुड लुक, एट द सेम टाइम वेस्टेज कम हुआ. एंड ऑब्वियसली द कॉस्ट रिलेटेड टू द वेस्ट, उनको उसको डिस्पोज करना होता है, उसके लिए टेम्पो हो, लेबर्स हो, एरियाज आजकल बहुत रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है डिस्पोजल के लिए वेस्ट के. सो ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर controlled and reduced because of this kind of thought process. So that is how we try to implement it. And yeah, obviously there are lights and all other options. We have a curtain also. which we have made a window, and we have a rolling curtain. So there are different types of curtains, and we have tried to use whatever we can in our office. So ये roller curtain है. Then there is a Roman style curtain which we can see in most of the homes, but office में उसका इतना application नहीं होता. When you see the terrace, you will understand there is a kind of outdoor exterior curtain. It is also a roller type, but it has different locking mechanism, and it is quite lightweight. फील भी एक्सटीरियर का आता है, बाम्बू जैसा उसका लुक है इसलिए. सो दैट वे वी हैव ट्राइड टू ऑप्टिमाइज थिंग्स इनटू लेस स्पेस एंड आल्सो कीपिंग इन माइंड द फंक्शनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ एवरीथिंग. तो यहाँ पे भी आप ऊपर फॉल सीलिंग जो बनाया है वो देख सकते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज डिजाइनर फॉल सीलिंग. सो आई विल जस्ट ऑफ द लाइट्स. सो if I off lights, so what happens? You can see the LED strip which has been put inside. Okay, so kind of एकदम हल्का light आपको आएगा, and you can have a very good experience at night. You can just sit quietly, or even for some kind of reading, or if this light could be sufficient. So ऐसे designer fall ceiling आप भी बना सकते हैं कहीं पे, हम आपके लिए बना सकते हैं. बाहर भी आपने अलग टाइप का फॉल सीलिंग देखा, तो देयर आर डिफरेंट ऑप्शन. फैन हमने बहुत सादा वाला फैन लगा है, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट anything hi-fi in our office. We just wanted to work properly, but at the same time functions तो रहने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि पुराना फैन है तो आवाज कर रहा है या उसको कुछ ऑपरेशन ही नहीं हो पा रहा, स्विच भी कई बार दबाना पड़ रहा है, ऐसा नहीं. So we have automated it. So I'll just give command to Alexa. Alexa, switch off the fan. You see, if you can see difference in speed, now the speed is quite slower. That means the fan is getting off, right? Alexa, switch on the fan.
Okay.
So again, if you see, the fan speed is increasing. Now I can also control the fan speed. Alexa, fan speed 100%. So I'm not sure whether it is visible to you directly, but when you come here, if you take the personal experience of this, you will understand how everything works. And we can set different commands. Now all of you may be smarter than me in technology, so you can always use different options. You can control with different commands. So it's not necessary to give the same command which I am giving. Otherwise you will say कि यार ये क्या है, हम इतना याद कैसे रखेंगे कि फैन कम करना है तो क्या कमांड दो, लाइट कम करना है तो क्या कमांड दो. सो एवरीथिंग इज कस्टमाइज. You can decide as to what you want. Alexa, fan speed to 25%.
Okay, so this was about the cabin, and now we will have a short look towards the balcony also. We have a quite cozy balcony in which we have tried to do something different. So the glass carpet which I have showed you in the sample unit is what is used over here. This is the glass carpet used. Now you can see there is the acrylic sheet used over here. Okay, in which we have again put some lights, so you can always put lights in acrylic sheet. These are 3-in-1 lights, so you can always go for 3-in-1 lights or dimmable lights, whichever you want to. And then we have put this small, decorative light in the middle. So we have kind of made this a relaxation zone, to just take a break of 2-3 minutes, or you say 5-10 minutes. Or when you come from office tired and retired, everything, you can just sit here, you can have your time, you can sip a cup of coffee, you can enjoy the view and everything. About the curtains which Shubhankar was talking, these are the curtains which we have used for outdoor. They kind of have a bamboo look, and they are rollable curtains. Okay, so the one inside was a roller curtain, and now this is a rollable curtain. You just push it over here, it will get locked. Maybe I am not able to do this one. we'll go with this one. So this is the kind of rolling curtain, and have to just pull it a bit here and it will get locked. So the curtain is locked. So you can keep it full open, you can keep it half open, you can keep it full closed, everything is up to you. And once we open the curtain, we have this amazing view of direct road. So yes, basically this is a thorough view of our office, and you again just pull this down and your curtain will raise up back to its place. Okay, so this was a brief view about our office, and I would just like to take a 2 minutes break, and then we'll again tell you more about our office. Okay, so that was a brief view and a detailed view of our office and an explanation of our office. So now we'll just give a short brief about why renovations and what is renovations.
All right. So I would like to tell you that she's my wife. My name is Shubhankar, as we have already told earlier. So Shubhankar and Renuka, we both were in construction industry first. She was working as a structural engineer. I was working in the construction management domain according to our masters. And we were happy in our jobs. We were also doing good work over there. But somewhere we thought that we have to do something for our own, for the clients, for people around us. right? So that was not possible being in a big company doing some small roles. So we decided to start our own business. Uh, at the start, we did not have an office. We did not choose any name for our company. We just started. We started telling people that we are taking up contracts in the civil engineering sector. We are doing some construction activities. We can do interiors and renovation also, and that is how we began. And from the past 1.5 year, we are getting good response from our clients. Whatever people we know, some people know us, some give reference to the others. And that is how our client base has started increasing. We are getting good works in and around Pune. And we have done around 5 to 6 commercial projects, and we have completed 8 to 9 residential projects. So total 15 to 16 projects we have completed in past 2 to 3 years time, out of which under renovations we have completed 5 to 6 projects in the past 6 to 8 months. So that is overall journey up till now, and we wish to continue this with all your help and support. uh, First of all, a very big thanks for all of you to join for our live stream today, and we are grateful to all our uh,
Friends,
viewers,
family,
friends, everyone.
relatives, viewers, everybody.
Yeah. So just the concept behind doing all this. Actually, when we were roaming in the industry, when we were doing some works, we observed that there are a lot of uneducated people in the construction sector. Also in interiors, renovation, everywhere, there are a lot of people who are just working based on their past experience or whatever knowledge they have from their domain. So just say there's a carpenter, there is a plumber, electrician, any skilled person, he knows that work, but he is not aware of the other activities or sub activities which are required. Lot of interdisciplinary activities need to take place when a house or any place is renovated, or anything like you're seeing this office today. If we share some photos which were of this office earlier, this space earlier, it is really hard to imagine that it can get converted into something like this, right? So lot of activities involved. There are smart people required, people who know minute things, who know the details. Everything is required in this, and that is why we, after having a lot of education, decided to jump into this, work for this, and serve you. So that is how renovation started. We try to give a complete experience to our clients from conception to completion. We feel that the client should be satisfied and mostly delighted after they work with us and after we do a renovation for their place. So keeping that in mind, we start this journey, we start any project, and we see to it that there is no time and cost overrun for our project. Because बहुत सारे लोग जो एजुकेटेड नहीं होते या जो सिर्फ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स होते हैं, they don't take up the responsibility of work. Okay, they'll work for you, payment, वो बोलेंगे आपको नहीं पसंद आया पेमेंट मत करो या थोड़ा पेमेंट काट लो हम चले जाएंगे. That is the general approach. There are good architects, there are good interior designers, but उनकी जो टीम होती है या उनके एक्चुअली जो ऑन साइट काम करने वाले लेबर होते हैं, वो कई तरह के होते हैं. So that is what we are focused on, making a good team, having all good vendors, good shops, good people in the market who give genuine material, and we never compromise in our quality. So कोटेशन हम देते हैं कोई भी चीज, तो अगर क्लाइंट हमें रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि नहीं आप ये कम कर दो या आप कोई भी मटेरियल यूज करो हम देखने नहीं आएंगे, बट वी वांट इट इन दिस मच बजट, सो वी टेल देम कि उसके क्या रिपरकशंस है. Still, if the client wants, we can do, but we don't compromise on the quality elsewise. We try to keep everything. We try to reduce the costs, but at the same time, don't compromise in the quality, don't compromise in time aspect, and give best experience to you.
So basically, renovations is renovating your house from conception to completion, where you renew, we innovate, and together we are gonna renovate. So thank you everyone for joining this live stream. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your blessings. Now let's proceed towards the ribbon cutting ceremony, for which we have all our clients, all our
Family
family
members,
members, and
friends.
everybody.
So
Also
as
some of our clients for whom we have worked. So please now let's proceed towards it. आजी आबा हे आले काय हे नाही आलं चिंकू आजी आबा या आबा या आई बाबा कुठे या इकडे आजी इकडे आबा या इकडे
पुढे पीक कापायला
या इकडे या, तुम्ही दोघं दिसले पाहिजे या, या, या.
द्या द्या का
चला सर
या 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 आजी आबा या आई या बाबा
मस्त
श्री
एकदम भारी या
थँक्यू 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 सो मच या थँक्यू या थँक्यू थँक्यू हो
रेणू इकडे
हो आले बाहेरचं कुठलं लगवा या हो आले थँक्यू सो मच
असं आहे ना असं हा तसं याचं हा येस हा आता एक मिनिट
थँक्यू सो मच हो सगळं Okay, so we hope that you have enjoyed this journey of our office, and we would love if you would like to come here. We would like to show you more. We would like to give you a personal feel about everything. Thank you for being here until now with and supporting us to our journey, and we hope you'll do the same with us for future achievements and for everything. And
So thanks a lot, and let's stay connected. We are always looking forward to good associations and good connections. So see you in person, and we would like to end the live streaming
you
for
can,
today.
yes, and you can connect with us on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter. We are there on all the social media, of which links we'll be putting in the description. So you can just click the link and you can join our team. And yes, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.